Hello again here. I want to talk about good sleep or enough sleep. We say it is it's a research done, statistics says between 6 to 8 undisturbed hours in a night within 24 hours. So that is what we call good sleep or enough sleep. Generally, some others would say, I just need 1 hour, 2 hours. No, your body, you need to listen to your body. But there are those who are outliers. They might need 10, which is above, if they are not sick. And then there are those who need less, 4 hours undisturbed sleep, and they will be okay. Those are those we call outliers. But majority of human beings, of people, would need 6 to 8 hours. The younger you are, the more hours. The older, 6 hours, 4 hours is okay. 5 hours is okay. Find it out. There are 10 things that are very important that you will gain and benefit why you need that. Of course, it affects your emotions and social interactions. When you are groggy and whatever, you are not yourself. If you don't sleep, you will not form even nice sentences. You will not talk to others in a good way. Your mood also will be yucky. So realize that is one important thing. Less sleep or disturbed sleep, you'll have very poor social interaction. So if you have enough, you will have good way to interact. The second thing, with less sleep, you will have inflammations in your joints and all that, because enough sleep gives you alkaline and good, the joints will be having good alkaline pH. The composition of our joints will be okay, because in the night that is happening. They balance the fluids we have for the joints, so we'll not have inflammations. You need that. Good sleep, enough sleep, remember? Okay. Sleep also improves your immunity. Immunity, what is immunity? Right now we have the virus, and sleep is quite important. Immunity is what we are looking for right now. How does our antibodies, our cells in the blood, balance up and do all its gymnastics? You need to sleep. Yes, you need to sleep. You need to sleep to help your immunity functioning well. Of course, if you sleep, the stress will go down and everything. And there is where you are going to reduce your depression. That's another one. Number 3, the depression will be decreased because now you have relaxed your bones, you have relaxed your mind. Your mind has filed up. There is the schemas. What you had collected during the day needs to be arranged for the long-term memory and short-term memory, and what to be used or discarded, such that the in-tray in your mind is cleared for a fresh day, for a fresh receiving. The in-tray should be emptied when you are sleeping. That's what your mind does. So it removes and makes you relax and reduce depression and stress and all that. Okay? Sleep. We are still talking of sleep. Sleep is important. It helps your metabolism. Even the nutritionists know that. It affects the glucose metabolism in your body so that you don't have the type 2 diabetes. You need undisturbed sleep to help yourself from the type 2 diabetes. Yeah? Number 5, it talks that it is great for sleep, makes you settle such that you don't have heart problems. There is the heart diseases, the stroke, the heart murmurs, heart whatever. The valves maybe are getting tired of just pumping. When your blood is rushing too much, you need to relax. When you are sleeping, the blood also comes down, so you don't have problems in your heart or in the blood. Sleep is good in that. Sleep is also good for those who are doing athletics and performance, or those who are running, doing sports, especially those who are doing running, athletics. It improves that. Remember we talked about inflammations of the joints? Yes. If you don't sleep well, of course, your joints will be paining. You will not have that sufficient speed, accuracy, and all that. So sleep, good sleep will help you in that, in your performance. Maximize. So the other way works. The other side of the coin works. If you have poor sleep, of course, your performance will drop. Okay? All this I'm getting from the Healthline website. Health, our health, self-care. Okay, number 7 is good sleep will improve your concentration and productivity. And this is what I keep on saying. If the brain has cleared the in-tray, the next day you are ready to absorb. You are ready to do more work. You are ready to read that book, to correct your work. You are ready. So you are going to be productive because you're going to do something more. Yesterday, what I did yesterday is kept and is done. Today I have to do something else to add to it, compound in effect. I have to concentrate. That means I have clear mind and I'm ready to do the work. Concentration, attention, and retention is increased with good sleep. When you sleep well, even the eating, you will eat fewer calories according to the nutritions. They have those leptins, all those calories calculations. If you sleep well, you will eat fewer calories. You will not go for the sugary things, something to nibble, because it is the hormones. Yes, the hormones will be okay. If you deprive yourself sleep, then you will go for the emotions imbalance that we started with. Will also go with your hormones, so you will go for the food. I know that better. Yeah. You have to sleep. And then from that, number 9, with food, then you will have body weight problems, and then you are worrying a lot, and depression. All these things are all connected. And remember, you are thinking for yourself. So if you have enough sleep, your weight will not be an issue because of all the other things we have just said. The inflammation is not there, depression not there. You're not going to go for more calories, and your brain will be fresh, and you'll be productive, concentrate, attentive, and all that. You need enough sleep to be productive, to be concentrate, to be healthy. Remember to be honest. And the first thing, 90%, you need to be honest to yourself. As I am going to be honest with me as Angeline, 90% of what I do with what I have just learned is more important than what others will tell me is important for me. And 90%, how would I take those comments? How would I take that event? Reflect. How do you sleep? How do you soothe yourself to sleep? How do you put yourself to sleep? How is your sleeping area? Which times do you go to sleep? It's important. God bless. Be honest.